Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, we thank God for the gift of life to see amazing day like this. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like. Guys, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And also guys, go and check Felicitas. So on today's videos, she wanna turn 1k subscriber, guys. To hit 1k subscriber, I can't wait, guys, to see her channel improving, guys. So on today's videos, guys, are very special, and I'm shooting these videos on Monday. So guys, I want to share with you this story, guys, and you advise me on the comment section, guys, because today I make a mistake. Today I will never make a mistake again. So guys, this is the soil that you see here. I dig the borehole on the other side in the month of April, I think the month of February this year, the year of 2025. Guys, we've been there seeing my mama struggling, going to the river, fetching water over 20 years, guys, because at this moment, around 20 years and above years, guys. So, but I decided, you know what, my mama fetch water from the river, and walking distance from here up the river, it's a long distance. And then I decide, let me dig this borehole here, guys. So to be honest, I think the month of April, my borehole collapsed, and then this soil that you see here around up this side, they have been removed inside from here. So yesterday, guys, we fetch water, and we see some changes. I said, okay, maybe somebody threw the container inside deeply. Maybe the water will change, guys. But today, even right now, it's locked. And my mama came to fetch water. My mama found the message that I got from my mama. My mama see a lot of wall of the borehole, guys, collapse and then fall inside. So right now there's no water inside here as we speak. Please, guys, advise me. And I supposed to buy the carabat, guys, 5 of them, and one carabat goes to 30 USD, you know, so that's around 3,500 each. And I supposed to buy 5 of them. So guys, when I get 200, I will do this borehole, and then it's need me again to look for them engineer to remove the soil from the ground, to get water, to deliver the carabat, to put down. Because when you calculate the expenses we're going to use to dig another borehole, guys, it's better we do for this one, because on the ground, guys, let me tell you, we find a lot of water. And that's the challenge that I'm passing here, guys. On my side, to be honest, I'm totally, guys, disappointed, because I suppose, guys, to use this water in terms of building for my mama dream house. But the borehole, guys, disappointing me a lot. Oh my god, oh my god, I finished this one happened. Guys, so according to our calculation, $200 it can finish this stuff, because I need to demolish on this part again, like the way you see it is, demolish them, and then to get a bigger circular where they can transport or put those carabat inside. Because there's a day I went to Border Town, I asked the price of the carabat. So one carabat cost 3,500 Kenyan shillings, guys. Today, this is the second day the borehole do like that. And guys, I was very happy on my side, guys, since we get water, even to celebrate, guys. but it's happened the second time, guys. So I had no option at this moment, and then all my entire family used this water, washing clothes, utensils, taking shower. Sister, come say hello. Rudy. That's my sister, guys. Let me allow her to say hello. Or else, even right now, I'm not feeling that much okay. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yes. Sweet honey. Yeah. I want every day. Honey. Hey. Sweet honey. Okay, guys. That's my sister. So, man, me, I'm so disappointed on my side. I'm telling you, even, guys, if you think that I'm joking, let me bring my mama from other side from the toilet, because she was making cleanness, and then she will give you an example, guys. Because me yesterday fetched water, I see some changes. I said, okay, maybe somebody throw the container deeper. So let me see my mom on the other side. Guys, advise me, guys, because we have dream, guys. Let me wear this sound. See, that's what it help us to clean the toilet. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Kisima kikoje mama?
Kimepomoka?
Maybe niandu chote maji watu waone, labda watu nafikiri tunadanganya. Guys, I'm telling mama, let's go and fetch water to do an example, guys. So maybe other I know other people, maybe they would think, oh, hello baby, you are joking here and there. Guys, these are serious, because even that water we use to take shower, washing your toilet like this, you know, it helps us, our cow, to drink water. And then I save my mama carrying water on the head every day. I save my mama. But for this case, the message that I got, it disappointed me, guys. I'm crying, guys, where I am right now, guys. Please, guys. And for those people supporting me by watching my videos, comment, like, share, may God bless you. And for those people supporting me in a financial way, my God bless you, guys. My God bless you. So let me mama bring the container. You will see, guys. You will see. God knows, guys, but I work it for this borehole, no matter what. If could maybe the devil surrounded my container, like my borehole, me, in Jesus' name, I work it for that. I'll work it for that. And mom, in case you watch these videos, I know you're supporting me to construct this borehole. My God bless you. So you done your part, and my other audience watch this part. But the borehole collapsed, and even I written my mom who supporting this borehole, their name on this borehole. I don't want to mention because other people need privacy. So mom, wherever you are, my God bless you, and I want to say thank you so much for your full support, for your full time that you put on this borehole. So on today, this is the second time, guys, it collapsed. No water. Let's see. Me, I'm telling you. And if you don't believe, the day when the engineer will be here again, you will see, guys. You will see. No, guys. No water. No water. We keep morning kyonoga ko.
Kyohano nendo tibuti na boka na manga.
Abi chona endo chamara baga berete.
Amanga na ichokura fatali. Sasa uma itemre kumara bakororo chikikai.
I ruse to my. Yes, I'm telling my just stop bring to my. Just to bring, even guys, I think even on the container side here, you will see the red soil that you see here, guys.
Okay,
let's see, guys. Okay, guys. Look, guys. Even the water. Look how it looks like. And also guys, look at this side here. You see? Look guys. It tells you my borehole collapsed. Guys, please. On this side. Daddy, how are you? Hey. Sinimaona daddy part. Okay guys. Guys. Okay, I was talking with my brother. They were going to school. Right there. So guys, please guys, please support me to renovate this borehole guys. Only $200 to do these things guys. So I keep pensando kwa bag, I'm itapote. That's my student to school guys. So guys, please, even my mama, she was shocked. Please guys, please guys, I'm so disappointed. Support me guys on this, and then to renovate this borehole guys. Imagine, even this borehole, it's like we didn't use it like 4 to 10 years, and then it started to collapse on the ground. Only the month of February, let me say March, April, and then it's May. We use it close to 2.5 months, guys. The first time it's do like the way to do again, and then I say, okay, maybe let me do it, and then it will stop. Oh my God! Look even water, guys. I'm telling you, look. Guys. For my side, I'm speechless and nothing to do. But if I get money guys, even tomorrow, I'll do it. Because I'll go to buy the carabat, it's already. And also maybe to bring the carabat, delivery money, and then for those people who, I'll buy even the Manila rope, like 5 of them, to lifting the carabat on the ground guys. So to be honest, we're doing some calculation. First time it's bring $200 guys. If I get that $200, I'll buy, because also it needs cement, so we're going to demolish this upper part, all of them, you know. Only thing that are going to survive here, maybe the door, the small door, but the rest we're going to demolish, and then fixing the carabat guys. Only guys, if you're watching from this side, only $200 to do all this work that you see here. And I think carabat is the best, but people advise me, hello baby, just like in my village here, hello baby, just use the bricks constructed around from the ground and the level of the hard ground, and then out the hard wall. I said no, let me use the carabat, because the carabat is a mixture of the balance stones, cement, sand, and also waterproof. So for this case guys, even I went to border town, I found those 3 to 4 carabats, and then even I shoot that part, you know. If you're watching my videos, you'll see that part guys. Me, nothing to do, but the rest I left All Might to protect, because right now I don't want to speak much about, because when I speak much, maybe it could be poison on my side guys. Poison on my side. Oh guys, if you're watching this video from the far end, please give a video a like, comment, share guys. But the message that I got from my mama, it's really disappointing me concerning this borehole here guys, because I never expect this. It could happen for the second time. But God have some reason. You know. Maybe this ground, maybe it's smooth. That's the reason why when water is full, the ground or the wall of the borehole break up, guys. But if I get the carabats, you never see me like saying the borehole collapse. Oh, this one collapsed. No, no, no. And guys, this month, at the end of this month, I'm supposed to buy the sand for our mom's dream house. You know, guys, I has a lot of things to do, here and there. And guys, without your support, I couldn't maybe today management to do like constructing the borehole, buying materials. Guys, it's by your support, man. It's your support, you know. By your all full time you spend watching my videos, advising me. Through your support, it's made me who I am today. And nothing to stop me, guys. When God says yes, nobody can say no. Nobody can say no, guys. I know everything will be well, guys. Like, I don't want to stress myself here and there. But let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. Everything will be okay, guys. Everything will be okay. Oh. The guy is digging out and found the sweet potatoes, guys. Look at this. Maybe in US this is around $3. But for us here, $3, we can buy or purchase a huge bag of Irish potatoes. Here, even this one to get it's free because the owner dig and go. And then the guys start looking again. Daddy Moyar! Mono? Oh. Jodo. You're looking at gold. See, guys. Hey. Looking gold. Okay, good girl. Guys, in the morning, I was escorting him up to Nyabuhansi. He sold the first trip and then he came to look for the second trip. Look, guys. Look. Oh. Mengo me out in Gehan. I don't have to kill any anyway. Ma, John Korok. Ma, I don't know Mokoka. Tao Kongin. Want to Mokoka? Ma, what the Rabdango Temerui.
Magera here. Nindingiri kinacho taracha. Nato kire nge guri hayurigana sore hoteli ndagi. Ingi kina ni hiya kwa baba sonko. Oi. Daudi.
Daudi.
Ono ndai. Oh. Hayi babu toni maliriganirigana hayo. No bohoni pia hale.
Oh, what he told me, the video was surprising people's, like buying people's food. You know, it's good to give people's food rather than money. Even me, I don't want to access, like, to have authority to give people's money. I'm not a bank. So if somebody asking me if I have money, somebody asking me, oh bro, give me money, I told him, no, let me buy for you food. You know, let me buy for you like a small cup of cafe, and then it's better we use our money wisely, guys. That's the story that he was giving to me. Look, guys, free. And I'm going to get a no manana kumbego.
Bado hakuri icho sasa. Kara bado hanantara. Ego yun tripu ya ine nekon. Nanda gendre na hirak. Ger kabe. Ger uhirene. Ger tatu kansa ger uhirene yo.
Ona hata hapa hivi kuna mengo. Mengo ngehan.
Sire kare ngai kungaina. Bana banyamba kidogo. Yonda munya. Inke gosimugoro banku yandenya. Inke mega santa kenda hiraka wenyu hano kobe kawa hani. Ukienda chande muki.
Mwenye mama bwana na wakumutinke wimuki.
Kara kego tukuma hante linche ni kego tena.
Mama ngongo hano moja. Ba.
Tena ko gasku. Wikito go mohe.
I'm telling you there's still potatoes on the ground.
Mahane.
Whoa. Eh.
No. Na no ndai nyamba. Barantura maroki dogo.
Yeah. Yeah, look at all of these sweet potatoes here that you see. They found within here. Only this place. And then the owner dig putting the rest and then go. But yeah, in our village here you can go to people's farm when they dig, like harvesting sweet potatoes or maize. Oh, he found a bigger. He found a bigger Irish potato. Yeah, I'm telling him. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Hey, what am I going to say? Yeah. Guys, imagine.
They had a week. Is this a
Huh? That's where I'm going to look. Well guys, so right now it's early morning, as you can see right here, and I have the lemon here, so I need to squeeze to the mouth the juice, like lemon juice, you know. So it's not my regular day to do this, guys, but because of, like, I feel like here I feel like something else, so I need to squeeze. Do like this. It's tasty bit. Oh my god. Oh. Wow guys, wow guys, wow. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, please guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe onto these videos and give a video a like, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So I'm outside, and that being said earlier, it's not my regular day eating lemon early in the morning. Something crazy, but let's squeeze, you know. Look, wow. And this, like, one lemon I bought around 10 shillings. It's around 0.001 cent dollar. Imagine our village here. Ah. I have already taken my baby outside, so it's time to go like outside from my home, looking for the content, you know. Wow. Yesterday I was making some exercise with my mountain bike. Man, I feel so good. So when I came immediate at home, I take shower. I take shower and then my body, like I sleep like a small baby. You know, like a small baby, guys. You can't imagine my last night how it's happened. I sleep until morning, and then like my body's like I do a lot of exercise, including my knees. You know, wow. Sometimes, guys, I make an exercise, so I don't want to rely on motorbike from January to December riding a motorbike. You know, at that time I walk to Nyabohanse by foot in the morning, and then I come back home. You know, so let's check our cow before we go, guys. You know, so this lemon, it tastes bitter. I think even I can't finish up, guys. It tastes more than bitter because we have two different kind of the lemon. We have the smaller one and the bigger one. So this bigger one, oh man, I will never try this. This is my last time. So when I'm going to the market, we normally buy the small one. But there's one word saying, bitter to the mouth, medicinal to the stomach, sweet to the mouth, poison to the stomach. That was, I believe, since day one. So this one here, it's bitter to the mouth, but at the same time medicinal to the stomach. So let me squeeze one more, guys. Oh my god. When I squeeze that lemon juice, I feel like, oh, even at my backbone, something else. So my mama told me to check our cows. You good? Before we move. Wow. So that's how my entire village looks like. Every is maize. Look, maize. Going to other side, there's the maize. Like around my home, we're surrounded by a lot of maize here and there. So it tells you, people in my village where I came from, especially in Nyabohanse, they're purely farmers. They rely on farming, you know, and farming is our backbone. Wow. This morning, this car is full. Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay. Wow. So let's check them. Let's check our cows and then we go. And this cow, I don't know what's the problem of this cow. In the morning, it was freezing, and then the skin of this cow changed. But right now the sun is coming from this side. Right now it's just okay. Probably just okay at this moment. No, it's grazing here. Yeah. Because the reason why I'm saying it's cold in the morning, we have on other side, we have two hills on other side. So like in the morning, very in the morning, the windy breeze coming this way, you know, this side, from east going to west. So very in the morning, in my home here, we can't wake up in the morning because of that hills on the other side. you know. Oh. Wow. Yeah, you want this? You want this? Okay. Alright guys, it's my time to get out from my home, heading outside, looking for my day. Let me finish this guys and then I throw out this stuff. I know even the outer core also people eat. Even me initially I was eating the outer core inside, like the juice and then outer core, you know. But right now my tooth can't allow me to eat hard food stuff, you know, like fruits, you know. So let me give that man, like trying to squeeze this. Wala yo hora ikara na go chudo. Let me give him, guys. You think that I'm joking, like I'm pretending? Let me give him to try. Sikumukuli muko no wigo. Akia mungu taka mitinda chiri taka wait. Mego ne meromba gera. Tasikuma manchi wigo kanga. Dako yi. Egu kuyu. Eh? Because I'm telling you, the lemon is so bitter, more than bitter. So that's the bigger one, but the small one, it tastes so sweet. Ata makanda ngo takura gare.
Mnatuni kunguli kabisa krake woteruska. Usabantaba nurukebe.
Nempere ngumunno.
Yo nindale chini sana kila siku yani siku tano. Ndasero na maninga.
Nempere ngumunno. So what he tried to say, guys, like this bitter lemon, it needs a special dose fat people to take them. So like for him, when he take like 5 times, oh, they will lose blood. I attended to be this sweet potatoes here from the farm, and then we're taking to neighbor hands because I need to escort him and go to sell those sweet potatoes, and then in order to have cash on their pockets. Wow. So for my new subscriber, in case you're new here onto this vlog, this is what I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised, and especially guys, I was not born on this house that you see here. I was born on a small house known as a hut. I think small hut. On the roof were being covered by the grass and then smeared by the mud. But this one here, nowadays people improved the way of living, you see. And I know where I came from, guys. For this far, may I say my parents, congratulations. But in this moment, I was living with single parent, that's my mama. So but initially I have bought my parents building their homes, you know. They're man, let me tell you one thing. Both of my parents, they're really hard working. My dad is a farmer. Also my mama, she was working so hard. If you think I'm lying, guys, go and check my videos. Maybe there's some videos you see my mama working in the farm here and there. You will see, guys. You will see. But for this case, let me try my best to change my parents' home. The way I found the situation as a firstborn, let me do some transformation here and there, guys. Through you, I will manage to do things here and there. So I've already taken my baby outside, and we have plenty of avocados, guys. Look, even on this side here. Wow. And what I'm learning on this bike, or if you have a bike or a vehicle, in the morning you need to accelerate the fuel like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you ride your motorbike like this or your vehicle, because simply because it's to allow the oil running, like circulates in the engine here, circulates both side of the engine, you know. So I have already do that process when I was taking my baby outside. So it's my time to get out from my home, going outside, guys. So it depends on today's videos where my intro starts, you know. But these are random videos while I'm taking my baby outside, and also I myself. So somebody calling me, guys. So it's cut off. Right, I have already done it earlier, so let's go, guys. So we shall meet on the next videos, so stay tuned, guys. Wow, sit home. All right, guys, I've already finished my issues. So guys, I think, should I go this way? Let's go. So let me go and take my breakfast, guys, because I'm totally hungry like a goat. So Wekongo Kuringani. So let's go. I was talking to that guy right there. Boss, kama boss. Look that coconut trees. I hope you are ready for this journey. When I see the coconut trees, it shows you anytime I wanna leave the village. That's ambulance. Oh my God. Guys, on today's videos I have already switched my mind, so let me go straight and I'll show you the beautiful rock city like that we have here. So let's go, and then from that trip I'll come back home, take my breakfast. So guys, be with me on this vlog. So I'm going to show you the beautiful rock city, guys. Rock city. So let's go. See that place right there. So let's go, guys. Follow this journey. Give a video a like, comment, and also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, wow, that's rolling for the bread. Also, guys, check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. I think today she wanna reach 1K subscriber, guys. Today. So I have my baby here. Okay. So let me go, guys. Showing you that place for the first time. Beautiful home. Oh man, let's go. Okay. Stop police check, like municipal check right there. Oh, they cut tax within here where this road stopped. See? They cut tax right there. Then that one there. Okay. Let's go and show you guys. You know, the lion never sleeps. Guys, did you agree? The lion will never sleep. I was reading on this road here, down below. See? The lion will never sleep, right there. I think you see them. That's my Roman Catholic Church. Hey, a man pulling the tip of the bicycle. Hey. Alright, at the same time guys, I'll show you where I reach high a little bit, but I'm heading going that way to show you the beautiful rock ever. Maybe other people show you other places, but for me this was my very first time, you know. I'm heading to the other side. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. That's a donkey grazing right there. Okay. Heading this area. Okay guys, I think there's a day I pass here showing you guys. So for this case, I'll show you the most beautiful rock in our village here. So let's keep moving on, and you will see guys that part. On this part people are building, man. Woo! Can see that's the mayor home. Okay, last time heading this way, but today go down. Wow, you see this place, how it is, so beautiful. Wow, let's go. Okay, so this is Jenny Moronge school right here, a nice school academy. Oh my god, stones everywhere. It shows you people do building on this case. Let me put my camera in. Wow, I'm enjoying guys. I'm enjoying this life. Life is short, but let's enjoy guys. Life is short. Today it's another beautiful day, and I decided let me come on this side here, on the interior part of the village. You know, maybe guys today I'm gonna show you here, tomorrow it's another places. Who knows guys. No. We believe Almighty God to give us a good health, you know, to appreciate guys. There's a church right here. Okay. Kids are coming from Poshomin. Look, in our village here water is running freely. Look. This is crazy guys. Alongside the road, you can see that's what is running. You know? Wow. Goats are grazing there. Let's move. Oh. Guys, it was my very first time to come on this place, and I just travel, like I ride almost to 300 kilometers, guys. Wow. To this entire part of the village. Wow, local shop or kiosk. Let's see, guys. Maybe for somebody who wants to do a picnic, this is another beautiful place. Oh my God. So I'm heading to that stones right there. It shows you guys. Let's go, guys. You know, you see that beauty of the stones, how it's coming. So we have more than that. Let me show you guys. I think I left my bike. I see some little not lizard. Okay, look at these stones, guys. Maybe I'll get a thumbnail from here. Oh my God, look, these are magic. These are another stones. This is the second stones right here, and these are another stones. It's just like sitting on other stones. You see? Wow. Oh my God, these are magic, guys. Hey. Let me sleep here, guys. Here is a whole house. You can hide inside here. Look how that shape looks like, going deeper. Sabora, how you are? Fresh. Oh, okay, guys. Here, even here you can sleep. I'm telling you. Wow. A nice stones, guys. Hey, to do here a picnic, it's a simple way. Also, it has a beautiful flowers. You can see here. Hey. Never touch. Hey. For those who people love pink flowers, I'm showing you. Look at this. Hey. Wow. And the crazy thing is, guys, when you are on top of this place, you could explore this village, how it looks like. You see the house? Whoa! Can't imagine. Oh my God! I see even somebody climbing on the stones, guys. Oh! It's deep. Wow. Oh my God. Let's go this way. Wow. If you love this place, guys, to do a picnic here, let me know in the comment section. Drop the sweet comment, guys. Wow. I love this place. It's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I see the guy climbing on the stones. Hey. Kwani sema alikuja kupanda mahindi? Wow, guys. Ile barabara ilitoboka.
Gari zinakuja mpaka hapo mtoni za kuchukua mchanga.
Hapo mtoni. Kwa hivyo siwezi vuka na pikipiki niende ngambo ile. Oh. Guys, when I was on this side here, I see the road passing on the other side. Oh, zinatokea kwa ngambo zinakuja hapa. Oh. Guys, even inside here you can hide during rain season. See? Oh. Mura umepandeje hapo? Say hello. That's my brother, guys, climbing there. No staircase here. Umeruka? Umeseti kutoka hapa? Guys, no place you can maybe manage to climb on that stones. He told me he ran from here with a lot of force and then jump to that stones. Imagine. Haya maracha mimi nirudi niende border. Ama siku hizo wakuja kushuti nani muziki hapo. Kama jana walikuwa. Oh. Yeah guys, I'm asking him because when I was a kid, I have one of my friends within here coming daily here, and then there's some people doing shooting of the videos, capture the views from other side. Maybe one day you watch these videos and then you'll know this place known as Indo Rock City. Pasio Rock City, okay. Because when you are doing a shooting of the movie or a music, you wanna capture that view. You see up to other side. I am. Okay guys, I'm telling him let me go back home because I feel so hungry. See these stones, guys. You think it's a joke? See these stones. Look at these stones, guys. This one, another stones sit on top of another stones, guys. Look. Guys, these are magic, guys. Look. Ho ho. Wow. Look at even at this place. Stones on other stones. Wow. Let me stand here. And then you see. Look. Hey. Maybe guys, I think I'll get a thumbnail from here for my videos of today. Well guys, I'm going home right now. Look at that. Crazy. Let's go guys. I hope guys, each and everyone, you enjoyed that part where I'm showing you the rocks. And I think even at Brother Dagi also, to their homes, we have rocks. But today I decided, let me show you, the most beautiful rocks in our village. Yeah. This is a dump site. And yesterday, one of my subscribers asked me, hello baby, why don't government put that dump site far away? Because it's near the road and it's a public road. This one here that we see. So I think if you're on government and you're working, please just come and see how the dump sites are. They're looking like something else. But me, I just mind my own thing. I don't want maybe to engage in politics. I'm not a politician. By the way, that's a church right there. Wow. Yeah guys, me, I'm telling you, I'm not a politician, but if one of politicians watching these videos, please come at Tanzania Road Junction. You see how the dump site looks like. Totally smell. Kasango! Kasango! Guys, Let me see, brother. Like we just name each other's Kasongo, guys. I'm gonna park my bike here. No worry. That's hello, baby. Let me see my brother. Where dog? One is here. Oh my God. Nobody's here, guys. So maybe I'll come later because my phone went off on this case. So when I charge my phone, I'll call him. Oh, guys. So we shall meet back home, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, let's go. Wow. So today, guys, I want to take you up to Tanzania. So to refresh my mind, guys, you know. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Wow. Let's go. That's total right there. Selling off tank this side here. Wow. Okay, guys, today I'll take you at the back of Borehole town and then take you to Tanzania. At this moment, you know what I mean, guys. Okay. This is Borehole town. I'm heading this way, guys. Go this side here. See that tall building there? Oh my God. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Boom. So we normally use these shortcuts going up to Tanzania. I'm telling you guys, you know, this is the real story from here. Let's go. Maybe this side here, maybe I didn't show you. Los Angeles. Wow. Okay. So people building. So we keep moving on. Yeah, this lorry, they are picking maize from here. Hey, you're gonna move, man. You're gonna do like this. Okay. Wow. You can't imagine, guys. This is a hostel right here. You know? Okay. The road is under construction. I'm telling you. On this side is where I reach high. Serious. You know, construction takes place right there. Oh, this is a KK. Oh my god. Road is under construction, guys. I'm telling you. Let's go. They are constructing and then put the tarmac road, guys. Let's move, man. Let's move. Change my mind. When you go this way, also I can go to Tanzania. But let's show another side. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Cool. Here, business is everywhere, hustle is everywhere, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, baby, hustle is everywhere. That's a full cage of maize. Right now, guys, I'm at the no man's land, you know, both sides. My right hand, like my left hand fall in Tanzania, my right hand fall in Kenya. So where I'm driving right now, it's no man's land. Kids are going to school, guys. Guys, right now I'm in Tanzania. So, you see how the house have been built? Look. Okay. No problem, guys. Let's move. Wow. Yeah, guys. Sometimes I use my fuel, guys, to drive. That's custom of Tanzania, you know. Sometimes, guys, I use fuel to drive and maneuver around, showing you the videos, you know. At that time, it's hectic, you know what I mean. telling you guys. So, let me check how you come. Okay guys, I'm in Tanzania driving and then I meet my friend. Yesterday I met you. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, good. Introduce yourself. Maybe somebody watching this video. You get a friend outside there. You're on Gamble.
Yeah, I have a street there.
That's all. Guys, we need to pack these crates with my friends here. Cartons. Okay, pack.
We're gonna start packing the cartons.
Let me twist. I think no, somebody will rob my camera. I put there. You see there? No, down there. No, and I'm here. Let me see here. That's best. You will pay me, my friend. Guys, I'm in my neighboring country working. No, Sasa wewe. Guys, I'm looking at a job. Packing this. Some curtain. Novida. This is Novida. Woo! I'm waiting the guy to come, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Whoa. Iko chonjo. You will pay me, my friend.
Can't pay you.
You will pay me. Hizi kunaweza nanuka pombe.
Sio unasomea hapo.
Guys, this is some curtain here. Takorambe bongo. For the first time, guys, in my neighboring country do this job. Usikuja hapo. Utaki wewe nikarudiletee. Wewe unajificha ficha.
Kuranga tu hela yako nyingi nimekuranga.
Nakuraga hela zangu bure.
Yeah.
Guys, we are loading this carton. It's around 18 of them. Okay. I think we can do this one. Around 18. Hey. Put them here. Here. You're gonna transport them to Kenya. Imagine, you are smuggling. Guys, let me ask him. Did you pay tax?
No, I can't pay tax.
Why? You do illegal things.
I'm transporting illegally from neighboring country.
Yeah, imagine guys, from Tanzania here to Kenya. Watakambiga
Oh, but illegally.
Nakuraga pesa yangu nyingi sana mtandaoni. Sasa hata wewe leo.
Can't pay tax.
Sasa wewe leo. Ongea nao warami wangu.
Hizi soda siku moja moja.
Hata ni
Unataka kubeba?
spanga kama
Coca-Cola zikae kwanza zenyewe. Guys, here's full work.
Eh, nimesahau kumwambia ndio ni mapasa.
Bro, bring one I drink. I'm so hungry like a goat. Okay. Mfone ndio mkiko kutora kigoro. Park.
Wini nimeanza kupanga kama wewe kuna hips.
Guys. Zimebaki 4. Zimebaki. This is Sprite, guys. Sprite. Super right. Super. Sprite. Spaghetti. Gan. Guys. Also, that's the rice on a KK. Hey, hey, hey. That's KK. Tuk tuk. Say tuk tuk. Kwake? Guys, me I was fasting and then I found my friend here. Yesterday I met him in Kenya, today I met him in Tanzania. Andi vimara, unanipa moja ni kunywa kwa sababu siwezi kuwa naongea na kupakia mzigo. Tatu nyekoka. Eh? Tapaki wibinto monomoro, weka moja. Yes. Ha? Suweke hapa sasa. Mama sitaingia hapa. And then you drive like crazy.
Yeah, man.
Ndio nimekuambia ungeka zile zitoshe, nguzo zingine ufunge fogara. Look, all of this. Hey. And we transport illegally, guys, you know. Passing at the boat like Panya route. Say Panya route. Yes, zira sasa zitoshe humo ndani. Hizi zitatosha humo ndani. Wapi boha? Simu mbe ya kazi ni katururu. Hapa. Nyama. Guys, I feel headache. It's because I was thinking about how my borehole collapsed. I'm supposed to buy the carabats and right now, guys, no money. You know, money is everything. Even my friend here, he was looking for a job, delivering this carton from Tanzania to Kenya, you know, getting money. Okay, Andy. Guys, stay tuned. Shall meet on the next video. Guys, let's go. Boom. Boga! Guys, I take a U-turn. I show you how Tanzania looks like. A little bit, man, you know. Okay, guys, I don't need trouble. I wanna pause my video here. Guys, we are here with my Yuguno. Hey, sina maneno. Okay, guys. My Yuguno is chatting. No problem. Oh, guys, we say God thank you, this border town, you know. And I'm going back home, you know. Oh. Okay. Go on.
Nimechoka hivi.
Sema
Mambo imechemka. Safi sana bwana. Nataka ni miangazi. Huyu kijana
Mara nyingi huwa nikimuona.
He's a betting guy. Huyu ni mcheza kamari hodari.
But you introduce tukienda bana.
Tulikutana na huyo jamaa kwa kamari. Anacheza betting na mimi nacheza betting. Leo umehamia kwa kudebeti mpira, si ndio? Hauchezi Kenya.
Sasa hii niliwacha.
Oh.
Hiyo
Okay.
betting. Niliwachana.
Na afirisi. Familia inalala nje. Hello.
Alright guys, so finally I'm just heading to the Borehole. Then guys sort out some issues. At the same time I see the rain is coming from the other side. This side and this side here totally different guys, you know. So we're gonna do things here guys. We can't imagine guys, I was in Tanzania and then I met one of my friends yesterday also. We met together. Oh. Yo. Guys. Guys, today I was like to sit accept immediately on the other side, you know. Sana hela nyingi. Nakupigia simu ziko ushiki. Congratulations kwa mnyama. Say hello.
Hello guys.
Yeah, you good?
I'm good.
Yes.
We are very quiet. But it's great.
Guys, life in motorbike. Hey. Aha.
How are you, baby?
Me, I'm good.
Hey, you are gentleman.
Yes. Me, I'm gentleman.
Hey, guys.
What?
This one.
Yeah. Guys, I said congratulations to Dorina. She get a new camera. Aya, mira hapa, tunaona. Aya. You good? Yeah, I want to make you rich. Come for your money. Okay, guys. Let me. Come for money. Money is beeping cold, eh? This sweet bro, I was chewing. Hey. Hey. Hi, asante mura. Okay guys, there is gonna be in the morning. I was washing my bike here. Let me get out. Oh my god. Yep. Wow. Guys, in the morning I was washing my bike here. So I didn't have cash. I told one of my brother, wash my bike. And then anytime I'll pay you. So I have already sorted out. And then it's my time to end my video. So guys, we shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow guys. Bye.